find the value of find the value of 4 cot square 45 degree 4 cot square 45 degree minus sec square 60 degree plus sin square 60 degree plus cos square 90 degree. So first we see that is cot 45 is equal to, we know that cot 45 degree is equal to 1. Now then sec 60 is equal to, what is the value of sec 60 degree? Sec 60 degree is equal to 2. Now then sin 60 is equal to, sin 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2. After that cos 90 is equal to, cos 90 degree is equal to what? 0. Now substitute this value in this equation. So what we get, that is 4 as it is, into cot 45, that is equal to 1 square minus sec 60 is equal to what? 2. So we write here 2 square plus again sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 and bracket square plus cos 90 is equal to what? Cos 90 is equal to 0 square. Listen again, cot 45 is equal to 1. Now then sec 60 is equal to 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So 4 as it is into 1 minus again 4 plus here 3 upon 4 and plus 0. So 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. Remaining answer is 3 upon 4. Now next example here. What is next example? Prove that or show that sin A, if A is equal to 30, then if A is equal to, angle A is equal to 30, then sin A is equal to square root 1 minus cos 2A upon 2. Square root 1 minus cos 2A upon 2. So here LHS, what is LHS? Asta, what is LHS? Here LHS is equal to sin. So we write here sin A. Now but A is equal to what? 30. So we write here sin 30. Sin 30 is equal to what? 1 upon 2. This is LHS. Now RHS. What is RHS? RHS is equal to A square root 1 minus cos 2A and upon 2 is equal. Here 1 as it is minus cos 2A is equal to what? 2 into 30 and divided by again here 2. So here as it is 1 minus cos 60 and upon 2. Now here 1 as it is, what is the value of cos 60? 1 upon 2. So here we write 1 upon 2 and divided by 2. Now 1 minus half, that is equal to half, and upon 2, that is equal to 4. So square root of 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. Hence we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Are you understood this? Now we see next problem. sin a plus b is equal to, if sin a plus b is equal to root 3 upon 2, sin b is equal to 1 upon 2. Find the value of a and b. Find the value of a and b. So how can I find this value? Here given that sin a plus b. Aditya, what is the value of sin a plus b? Sin a plus b is equal to root 3 upon 2. But from table we know that. But we know that as sin 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2. So from these, equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and therefore we can say that a plus b is equal to what? A plus b is equal to 60. So we write here a plus b is equal to 60. Are you understood this? A plus b is equal to 60, equation number 3. Now then sin b is equal to what? 1 upon 2. But we know that as what is the value of 1 half for sin 30. So sin 30 is equal to 1 half, and therefore we can say that here sin b is equal to sin 30, and therefore we can say that b is equal to 30. If b is equal to 30, then a is equal to what? So we put b is equal to 30 in this equation. A plus 30 is equal to 60. As a result, a is also 30 degree. Are you understood this? Is 30 degree. Write this. Now, next problem, prove that in root 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A is equal to cosec A minus cot A. Cosec A minus cot A. This is equation number 1, and second proof, that is a tan theta upon sec theta plus 1, tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 plus sec theta plus 1 divided by tan theta is equal to 2 cosec theta. 2 cosec theta. And now next, that is number 3, sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. So here, example number 1, LHS. What is LHS? LHS is in square root 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. So we rationalize this. Denominator, rationalize the denominator. Why? Because there is no denominator, therefore rationalizing denominator. So multiply and divide here 1 minus cos A as it is. Again multiply 1 minus cos A. Conjugate pair of 1 plus cos A is 1 minus cos A. Divided by here 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Have you understood this? Now then, you know that 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A, that is 1 minus cos A, and bracket square divided by A plus B into A minus B, that is A minus B square, square minus B square, that is 1 minus cos square. After that, here in square root 1 minus cos A bracket square divided by sin square A. Now then, here, or we can that is cancel this square. So we get 1 minus cos A and divided by sin A. 1 minus cos A bracket square is square root, therefore 1 minus cos A. Now that is 1 upon sin A minus cos A upon sin A. So 1 minus sin A, 1 upon sin A means what? Cosec A minus cos A upon sin A means what? Cot A, and that is RHS, that is equal to RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence we prove. Are you understood this? Number 2, tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 plus sec theta upon sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Is equal to 2 cosec theta. Now then here LHS. What is LHS? LHS is tan theta upon sec theta plus 1 plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. So taking cross multiplication. So what we take here, tan theta into tan theta, that is equal to tan square theta plus here sec theta plus 1 and bracket square divided by in bracket sec theta plus 1 into tan theta. Denominators are different, therefore taking cross multiplication. Now then tan square theta can be written as here sec square theta and minus 1 plus again this sec theta plus 1 bracket square, that is equal to sec square theta plus again here 2 sec theta and plus 1 divided by sec theta plus 1 into tan theta. Now this one get cancelled. Sec square theta and sec square theta, that is equal to 2 sec square theta plus 2 sec theta divided by in bracket sec theta plus 1 into tan theta. So from this we take 2 sec theta as a common. We take 2 sec theta as a common. So here 2 sec theta in bracket, sec theta plus 1 divided by sec theta plus 1 into tan theta. Now this gets cancelled. After that 2 sec theta. 2 sec theta is equal to 2 as it is. Sec theta means 2 upon cos theta divided by here tan means sin theta upon cos theta. So cos theta get cancelled, remaining term 2 upon sin theta. But 2 upon sin theta is equal to what? 2 cosec theta, because 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta, and therefore 2 cosec theta, and that is equal to RHS. That is equal to RHS. Hence proved LHS is equal to RHS. How can we prove this example? LHS. What is LHS? LHS is equal to sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Now sec square is equal to what? 1 upon sec is a reciprocal of cos, na? So 1 upon cos square theta plus cosec square is a reciprocal of sin, 1 upon sin square theta. Taking cross multiplication we get sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos square theta into sin square theta. Now what is sin square plus cos square? 1. So we write here 1 upon cos square theta into sin square theta. But you know that 1 upon cos square is equal to what? So separating we get 1 upon cos square theta into 1 upon sin square theta. But 1 upon cos square is equal to what? 1 upon cos square is equal to sec square theta, and 1 upon sin square is equal to what? Cosec square theta. So that is equal to again RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Are you understood this? Thank you.